Hi friends, we are meeting after a long gap. We know that due to the corona, we are unable to meet each other in the classroom. So this is a platform which I have chosen to communicate with you. Students, I know that there are so many difficulties, but before the going towards all the difficulties, I want to clear the doubt regarding the syllabus of BA Part 3rd semester 5 and semester 6. So in this video I'm going to share with you the syllabus of BA part 3. So what is in the syllabus we are going to see here. The title of our book is Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. This is choice based credit system, and it is the conventional name of this paper is English for Communication, or you can say that English compulsory. This is the book which we are going to see. What are the topics, which are the things we are going to learn. Let us see in this book. I'm going to discuss with you about the syllabus of this semester 5 and semester 6. So let us see what is the syllabus of our book, or you can say the study. So this syllabus is divided into two parts, and each part, that is semester 5 and semester 6. So each semester includes 4 module. So let us see what is the syllabus of semester 5. Semester 5 includes 4 modules. In the first module, there are two subtopics. Module number 1 A, the subtitle of the subtopic of this model 1 is that is known as the A, interview skills. As you are the students of final year, after your graduation you are going to face, or you are going to you can appear for the interview. So keeping this view, keeping this idea in the mind, the syllabus committee has introduced the interview skills for you. In module numbers 1B, there is the interview a lesson by VB John. So how interview appears. In the first A, we are going to see what are the questions, what are the requirements which we are going to when we are going to face the interview. But in B, there is a practical kind of lesson, that how a man appears in the interview and how he gets success or how he failures. What are the causes behind the failure, and what are the causes behind the success. These things we are going to learn from this lesson. Module number 2, that is you know that most of the students, they are appearing for the competitive exam, and it is the demand of the students that some topic which are related to competitive exams like MPSC, like UPSC. There are number of local boards which are conducting these competitive exams, and students can get recruited in these through these competitive exams. So keeping this view in the mind, the syllabus committee has given this topic. The topic, the module number 2 includes, there are two subtopics, that is number 1, that is a grammar, or you can say that A, the grammar for competitive examinations. Number of competitive examinations are there. What are the grammar? Grammar is a very you can say that deep study required for the competitive exams. Grammar is, in my opinion, grammar is the science of language, which we are going to see as the scientific things of language. How language is used in our day-to-day life situations, what are the things required for using this language. So grammar is a part of our syllabus, which is introduced by the university syllabus committee. Now the next topic in module number 2, that is known as the lottery. It is a lesson by Shirley Jackson. We know that lottery, when we are dreaming about the lottery, we are expecting something happen, we should get some money, and like that. So this is the lesson which we are going to enjoy in module number 2 B. Now let us see module number 3. Module number 3 A, that includes writing skills for competitive exams. We are so much afraid, we are so much fear of the writing English. most of the students they feel that there is a drawbacks in writing skills. So for competitive exam, a different kind of concise kind of you can say that brief kind of writing is required, and that skills, the various small skills we are going to learn in module number third A. In module number third B, we are going to learn it is a story after 20 years. It's written by O. Henry. Henry is very famous dramatist, poet, novelist, and very you can say that this lesson is prescribed that how he you can say that brings some kind of turn and twist in the life. So after 20 years, this is the story we are going to study in module number third B. Now last module of semester 5. So let us see what we are going to see in the last module. Module number 4A. I shall return to this Bengal. Jiban Anand Das. You know that Jiban Anand Das is a Bengali poet, writer. He has written this poem which we are going to enjoy, which we are going to see. It's a very interesting kind of poem which you will when you will really enjoy this poem. So another module number 4B includes songs of youth. It is by APJ Abdul Kalam. As we know that the president of the ex-president of former president of India, APJ Abdul Kalam, he is a freelance writer, speaker, and many more roles he played in the socio-cultural of our development of our country. And he appealed to the youth that how should be youth, what he or what are his expectation from the youth. That things we are going to learn from this you can say that poem. Last one, model number 4C, The Orphan Girl, Henry Derizio. Henry Derizio is an Indian poet. Though the name seems to be foreigner, British, but he is originally, you can say that Indian man who has written a poem about orphan or the orphan girl, which we are going to enjoy. Now, module number 4, we have seen that there are 3 poems which we are going to enjoy, and remaining some communication skills are there. 3 communication topics are there which deeply we are going to study in semester 5. Now let us see semester 6. Semester 6, module number 5. It includes 2 subtopics. Number 1, that is group discussion. Mostly the communication skills develop when there is a discussion. It's my observation, it's my, you can say that understanding that most of the time students cannot discuss a simple issue, a simple idea in their group. So group discussion is required for the development of our skill, for the you can say that development of our personality. So this is included in semester 6, module number 5, group discussion. B, module number 5B, that is the lighthouse keeper of Aspinwall, Henry Sienkiewicz. The name seems to be different. This is a lighthouse keeper of Aspinwall. So Aspinwall. So we are going to see, this is the lesson. It lighthouse, which indicates some kind of you can say that roots, or you can say that some kind of symbols. The lighthouse is a symbol that gives you the whether the ship is allowed to enter in the harbor or not. So that things we are going to see in the lighthouse keeper of Aspinwall. Module number 6. It's a very knowing things. We are from our childhood, from our school days, we are taking notes, making notes. So module number 6A includes note making and note taking. 2 different things are there, note making and note taking. When the lectures are there, most of the students they note down, that is note taking, and the teacher gives you prepared notes. So how to make notes and how to take notes, this is the skill which we are going to learn from module number 6. Module number 6b, three questions. Leo Tolstoy. Tolstoy is a philosopher, and his philosophical ideas, which we are going to learn from three questions. Module number 7. You know that we are on the media. We are living in the 21st century, and in the 21st century, media plays a very important role. So, what is the media writing? How we can write for the media, newspaper, news channels are there. Number of things are there which we are going to study in media writing. Module number 7b, 8 rupees, Murli Das Melwani. This is a story which we are going to study in this. You can say that lesson. 8 rupees, what is the value of 8 rupees in the today's world, and the world which you can say that your forefathers, how they used to spend these 8 rupees, what is the value of that 8 rupees in those days, which we are going to study in module number 7b. Now last module number 8 of semester 6, where three topics are there. These topics are titled as: A, the Mystic Drum, Gabriel Okara. Gabriel Okara is a very famous name. You will enjoy really what is the you can say that concept of Gabriel Okara through his writing. Module number 8b, two dead soldiers, Jean Arson Yagam. Name seems to be different, but dead soldier. It's about soldiers. They are died, and their pathetic situation, the emotional scene is. You can say that you are going to enjoy in this topic. Now, module number 8, last topic which we are going to see, that is C. Bora Ring, Judith Wright. Judith Wright is also a famous essayist, writer, and his essays, his stories are very interesting, which we are going to enjoy. So, Bora Ring is a topic which is prescribed for our study. And last one, it includes a pattern of question paper. Differently or separately, I will discuss with you the pattern of question paper. So let us finish this discussion here. I have given the introduction of this syllabus, so you enjoy. I hope you will enjoy this syllabus. I hope you will really understand, and if you don't understand, you are free to talk with me through various you can say that mediums, channels. This is one platform which I have chosen for our discussion. So I hope you understand, and if you don't understand, you are free to contact me. You just watch this video on YouTube, and if you like, if you can say that if you like, please, I appeal to you, share to your friends, and like and subscribe my channel if it is possible for you. It is originally you can say that study channel, with the students who are interested to study, who are interested to know what is the syllabus, what are the things which we are going to. There are a number of videos, but I hope you will like this, and you will forward to your friends and your circles. With this, I take your leave now. Further discussion we will I will after 2-3 days I will come to you, and I will inform you what are the things which you are going to study from this channel.